Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I would like to explain to you about the iPhone features that can help you in urgent condition that makes you to have to measure the things, but then you don't have ruler. So the newest version of iOS already give you this application to help you. Well, the name of the application is Measure. So how to find it? You just need to open your app library and then just type in the search button Measure, and then you just need to go click it. And now the next thing you need to do is just preparing the items that you want to measure. So place them perfectly, and then after that you just need to go click the area that you want to use. So make sure that you spot the this side or the corner of the items, and then there will be like shown here automatically the prediction of the length of the item. So this item has like 11 centimeters for the length, and for the width is 7 centimeters. And whenever you got it, you can also got the prediction of the size of this item too. So that's so simple. If you need the data, you just need to capture this by go click this side. And now this will be saved into your photo library, and you already got everything's done. So that is the way how to use Measure application on your iPhone. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.